Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pickles the Gaijin here with my friends here in Kyoto. Alright, so please support the Warupan Pabanda brand. This is
Jody the manager.
Jody the manager. And this is
CJ. I'm here to give him the bag.
Yes, today we went to Teramachi and we got the Fukubukuro. That's it? That's right, here we go. Fukubukuro.
Yes,
Fukubukuro. We have a Japanese consultant here, guys, so make sure all the Japanese words are perfect. Basically, it's a lucky bag. At the beginning of the year, the shop puts a bundle of stuff into a bag. Usually, you don't know what the contents are, and you pay at a reduced price. The value of the bag is much more than the price you pay for it. This year, we went with the Adidas. Yeah, Adidas. Woo! Yay, Adidas. All right, so I got a bag. I got a bag. All right, so we're gonna open it and see what colors and what sort of things. They have extra large, guys, for people like us. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. What a flop. Wrong section. That was so anticlimactic. Oh, me are dead. Scissors. So I opened the wrong side, so that's how nervous I am. Yeah, it's the first time. Anything like this. Clip the heart. Now we're gonna really open the bag. Kind of stiff.
Real tight.
Real tight. Okay. So these straps. All right. So first off, we have gray sweatpants with a multicolor. What's this called? Is this a string for the thing? Ooh, nice. Adidas branding, of course. Hello, Pada. I'm gonna look rather snug.
Yeah, man,
Snugly.
if that can't fit in on
All right, so
Japan is a struggle.
this values, I think it was like 4,000 or 5,000 yen, and I paid 10,800 for it. So it's a deal. Next up, we have a white. Well, I don't know, man. White to go work, you know, because a white T-shirt, maybe is it? Yeah, I don't know. I've wear it one time and then that's the end of it because I can't wash white in Japan.
What do you mean can't wash it in white Japan?
Don't worry about me. Yay!
Nice.
Fresh.
That is nice.
All right, look at that. Bam. Outfit. Already. Bow chicken. Wow. What them say?
They can't be worn together. It's blue and the thing.
24950. 240. Can't deal with that girl, you know. And then next we have, gray. Is it short?
Oh, shit!
It's a 3/4 ones, you know, a 3/4.
Some training in that, man.
Yeah, man, some gym work.
Ah, that can be worn with that.
Oh, it's a shorts. Okay. Ooh.
I want one. That's nice.
All right. CJ, you want this? No.
These can be worn together. This with the t-shirt.
All right. Let's imagine that.
Bear.
I look like a teddy bear.
Yeah, you know, it's too bad, bro. It's
What?
too bad you didn't get a different color. Like, so it's
There's
Yeah.
more guys.
You could wear the shorts with the
What is?
There's lemon.
Oh. All right. Oh. All right.
Saucy.
Soft. Is this a gym suit?
It's a set.
8,990. What's this?
Wow. It's a set.
Is that set? Whoa! Strip, drip.
Came to dripping. Ooh, you got lucky. Came to dripping. Drip. Came to dripping.
Drip. Wow, all right.
Excellent again.
What? What's my slip out?
CJ, welcome back to right now.
Twinkling in my eye.
This is amazing. Regular tapered normal length.
There's one more.
Yeah, there's one more.
You get more?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. It's the matches. It's 3 suits.
Wow.
You got lucky.
I thought I was getting more like a thing there. Like a.
It's more than
Woo! Oh, ooh. All right. Sauce.
It's 3-piece.
Oh.
More than what they show in the thingy.
So,
11,000?
Oh my god. You got lucky.
yo.
Right now.
Wow, I'm really impressed with this haul. So I got a gray suit.
Here goes budget.
A gray suit. Look at that. Drip.
Dripping. Ooh.
I can wear this with the pink shoes, don't it?
So you think he just got lucky?
The summer, no? You don't think so?
No, it's really like that.
You can wear the red one though.
No.
The red with the puppet more?
I think.
They're already bringing up more.
I think
They
you
get
got
the
an
release.
extra suit. You got
How
an
many
extra suit.
pieces?
6 pieces.
It's
Yeah,
just
6 pieces.
six. Yeah, 6.
Only 4.
I don't care. I don't give a.
So he got lucky. He got the lucky bag.
I got a real lucky bag. Is there anything else? Plus the bag.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you. That's the video. Fukubukuro. So please try again next year or tomorrow. Or, well, not tomorrow, whenever. Because next year, because it only happens during the new year. Alright, so see you next video. Because guys in Jamaican YouTuber out. Bam.
Bye. I want you to try them on.